What up? What up? Look, live account. Look, let me just explain this to y'all right quick. Free game. Free game. Got buy limit orders set for days. On GJ, and I'll explain those as well. Uh, feel like I haven't been as active in explaining why I'm taking a lot of these trades, but I promise y'all, I'm gonna get right back on it, and hopefully y'all learn a lot. But let's go ahead and go to UJ right quick. So let's go UJ. I actually think UJ is forming a ugly W on H1, which I seen. Obviously now it look like it's trying to retrace down. Something to keep in mind, y'all. The market always retraces, but this 9 is crossing this 20, and it's like about to cross this 50. Y'all notice I always talk about the EMAs. Ain't nothing changed, okay? It look like it's really just consolidating right now, and I think because of there's Memorial Day yesterday, right, which is Monday. I think the market is finally waking up, and now it's kind of just I would say today is considered a trap day. Okay, today is considered a trap day. So that's why I took my profits on UJ on my funding talent account in my live account. Okay, but so what I seen was, and I called this actually yesterday, and I should have got in right here. This would have been a sniper entry on M15. I always use the smaller time frames to use my entries. So if you go here, I actually start here on M5, right? And I'm looking for RSI to be really low on M5, like right here. This would have been a good entry in this place to buy, and just rolled it up. Hold on. And zoom out a little bit. Hold on. I think my thing just froze. Okay. Zoom out a little bit, and you see this would have been the best entry to get in. Obviously, I probably would have waited till it broke the 9 before I would have got in actually on the buy. But once the candlestick breaks the 9 on the M5, that's great confirmation that it's going to continue up, because RSI was low as well. And then you obviously follow back up with the M15. Then you can come to M30 even. And something I'm starting to point out to a lot of my team is looking at the W's on the RSIs. They are definitely real. You cannot ignore them. Or even an M. They're definitely real. You cannot ignore them. They got another W right here. Okay, and then obviously it look like it's forming another M on M30, but it might just be squiggly or a wedge pattern. But going to H1, looking at H1, like I said, I was thinking this was going to form like an ugly W. And since the 200 was right here, my thoughts was yesterday that this is going to bounce off the 200 like it did and come up. Obviously, I did not catch all of this because I was kind of busy just hanging out with the fam. But I got in this morning because I see this close above the 50. Okay. And obviously, I caught this candlestick and I got out once I seen the wick. Okay. And obviously, that was a good thing I did, because now it's retracing back down. But anyways, let's go to H4 as well. So this is something else that I've seen. I seen that it was on top of the 9 EMA, okay? For some of y'all that don't know, the 9 EMA is what helped me become a better trader, okay? So you see how I dropped here? Shot up a little bit, kind of consolidated, and then it actually broke the 9. So because of the way I trade now, I don't never trade against the trend, right? Like, I wouldn't have placed a sell here just because UJ looked like it's been going up, okay? Now, it might come back down to the 200, but I'm afraid to place a sell because, like I said, UJ's been going up. And same thing with GJ, okay? The reason I set my buy limit orders so low is because right now, GJ look like it's forming an ugly M right here, okay? And even looking at the non-EMA, it looks like it's forming an M as well. So you can't ignore that, right? And GJ also look like it has to break the 9. But when it does break the 9, it comes down to the 20. And that's why my buy limit orders are down here. Okay. So I mean, just a little something that I've been doing, but something to keep in mind, y'all. Do not trade against the trend. Okay, do not trade against the trend. Because you trade against the trend, you will get cooked. Okay, trading with the trend is your friend. Trading against the trend, not so much. But I also did see a W on H4. Okay, but this also could just level out and then shoot down on UJ. So this is a couple things that I've been looking at. I don't make this video too long. Just go ahead and add the 9 EMA if you already have the 20, the 50, and the 200. All these EMAs still work. All these EMAs kind of do use them the same. Okay, said once it breaks, obviously they'll let you know to get out your trade. Okay, same thing if it breaks to 20, you really know to get out your trade. Then if it rejects off the 50, then you can look for a push back up, or it can come back up here to my zone that I got drawn up here and then drop. Okay. But anyways, that's just something that I've been looking at. Like I said, this morning, I guess it was kind of a scalp. I just seen that it closed above the 50 here. Placed a buy, cost some money, and got out. That simple. But other than that, I'll be more detailed in more videos. I just want to do a quick video and explain what I did, what I've been doing, and what I've been looking at. Like I said, remember to always trade with the trend, because trading with the trend truly is your friend. Anyways, this is Terry D, the one and only motivational speaker. And remember to put God first, and everything will work itself out. Peace.